Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money on Heritage Bank in 2025. With the latest updates and enhanced security features, transferring money has never been simpler or safer. Whether you're sending cash to a family member or splitting bills with friends, this step-by-step guide will get you through it quickly. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the Heritage Bank app installed on your smartphone. It's free and available on both iOS and Android. If you prefer desktop, head to their official website. Once you're ready, open the app and log in using your username, password, and the new 2025 biometric verification like fingerprint or facial scan for extra security. Step 1. After logging in, tap on the Transfers tab, usually found on the home screen or in the main menu. This is your gateway to all money movement options. Step 2. Select the type of transfer you want. For domestic transfers, choose Internal Transfer if it's within Heritage Bank, or External Transfer for other banks. You'll see options for quick payees or the ability to add a new one. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details. This includes their account number, bank name if applicable, and the amount you want to send. Don't forget to double-check everything to avoid errors. Heritage Bank's 2025 AI will even suggest corrections. Step 4. Review the transaction summary. Here, you'll see the fees, which are minimal in 2025, the exchange rate if it's international, and any confirmation codes. Hit Confirm and authorize with your PIN or biometrics. Step 5. Once approved, you'll get an instant confirmation via the app and possibly an SMS or email. Your money should arrive in the recipient's account within minutes for domestic transfers. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on your transaction limits and consider setting up alerts for better financial management. That's it, you're all set. If you run into any issues, Heritage Bank's 24/7 chat support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and see you next time.